Stop killing yourself with hour-long cardio sessions that don't actually work. As of February 2026, research shows that a specific 5-minute routine actually burns more stubborn fat by switching your metabolism into high gear instantly. If you want to melt pounds without living at the gym, you need to watch this to the end. And the crazy part, most people think they're doing the right workouts, but they're accidentally training their body to hold on to fat, not burn it. I'll walk you through the exact 5-minute routine in this video. And the last phase is the real fat melter, so don't skip it. Okay, so here's what we're doing. First, I'll explain why long, slow cardio can stall fat loss. Then I'll break down the 5-minute daily habit step by step. And finally, I'll show you how to plug it into your day so it's almost impossible to skip. Let's talk about the cardio trap. Most people think more time equals more results, so they grind out 45 to 60 minutes on the treadmill. Slow, steady, same pace every time. The problem? Your body is insanely good at adapting. Do the same long, easy cardio over and over, and your body learns to save energy, meaning less calorie burn for the same effort. Some studies even show that shorter hard intervals can burn similar or more fat than much longer traditional cardio, but in a fraction of the time. On top of that, long sessions make you hungrier, more tired, and more likely to quit. So instead of trying to outrun your diet, we're going to use a short, focused 5-minute burst that tells your body, we need power, we need energy, we need to tap into those fat stores. With that being said, here's the 5-minute habit. You can do this at home, no equipment, just a bit of space. The format goes like this: 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of rest, 5 rounds equals 5 minutes total. Very straightforward. Keep in mind, the workouts we choose here is extremely important. We strategically choose workouts that activates your big muscles. Some examples of big muscles are your chest, legs, glutes, and core. Round 1 is called Wake Up Round. And for this round, we will be doing squats. Feet shoulder width apart, sit your hips back into a squat, then drive up and reach your hands overhead. Not sprinting yet. This is your wake-up round. Focus on full range of motion, good form, and breathing. Do this for 40 seconds and then rest for 20 seconds. Round 2 is called power legs. This round is also squats, but done differently. This round is fast squats. You need to do at least double of last round in 40 seconds. This is where your heart rate starts to spike. That's good. That's your body demanding more energy. Don't forget, after 40 seconds, take 20 seconds rest. Round 3 is called heart rate spike. For this round, we will do high knees, drive your knees up, pump your arms. If jumping is too much, do a fast march, bringing your knees as high as you safely can. The goal here is effort. On a scale from 1 to 10, think 7 to 8. You should be breathless by the end of this round. Round 4 is called Full Body Blast. For this workout, we will be doing reverse lunges. Step back into a lunge, then as you come up, punch forward with both hands. Big muscles plus upper body plus balance. This teaches your body to move powerfully, not lazily, like before 40 seconds non-stop and 20 seconds of rest. Round 5 is called the finisher. This is the workout that makes everyone skip and quit. Do not stop here and finish it. This is the last and most important step. This round, we will do burpees. All the way down and jump as high as you can. Give me your best controlled effort here. Remember, it's only 40 seconds. After this, you're done. Consistency is key here. It's absolutely essential. Without it, results just won't happen. But hey, it's only 5 minutes, just 5 minutes a day and you're done. We designed this plan to be quick, simple, and super effective. Now, I totally understand forming a habit is extremely hard, especially for busy people. That's why we have also created a plan that will help you make this routine a habit. Rule number 1, attach it to something you already do, right after brushing your teeth in the morning or right after you get home from work, or even while your coffee is brewing. Remember, this is only 5 minutes of workout. You can do it any time, really. Don't rely on motivation. Attach it to a habit that already exists. Rule number 2, aim for most days, not perfection. The research on short exercise snacks shows that even doing them a few times a week can improve fitness and help body composition if you repeat them. Consistency does not mean workout every day. So instead of, I must do this 7 days a week, think I don't miss 2 days in a row, or I will do this 5 times a week. Rule number 3, pair it with decent nutrition. This 5-minute routine boosts your calorie burn and conditions your body to use energy better. But it can't erase everything you eat. High protein foods, low carbs, decent amount of healthy fats like butter or avocado. Keep your drinks calorie free. Don't use the workout as an excuse to overeat later. Rule number 4, progress it every 2 weeks. Once it feels easier, add a 6th round or shorten the rest to 15 seconds. Remember, small upgrades keep your body guessing and burning. Commit to this 5-minute habit for the next 21 days. Set a reminder in your phone right now and comment, I'm in, so you're accountable.